Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to conduct the second period of the chapters called Solutions of a System of Linear Equation. This is for 11th standards. Here we will use Cramer's rule to find the value of x, y and z. Three values we will be finding, okay? So suppose if we have like equations is given in this form, right? If we are given three equations, suppose a1x plus b1y plus c1z equals to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equals to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z equals to d3. Then what we have to do to find the value of x, y and z using Cramer's rule? So what we will do at the first, we will find the value of d, that is value of determinants of elements a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. This value, that is the value of these determinants of the elements should not be 0, means should be unequals to 0. Then we will find the value of d1, right? So the d1 value will be determinants, value of determinants of d1, d2, d3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3. After that, we need to find the value of d2, that is value of determinants of elements a1, a2, a3, d1, d2, d3, c1, c2, c3, right? So then we have to find the value of d3, and the value of d3 we find in this way, that is value of determinants of elements a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3 and d1, d2, d3. After that, x equals to d1 by d, y equals to d2 by d. Up to this much we had done in our last videos, right? Then we have got here z equals to d3 by d. So here, this is the rule that we'll be following to find the value of x, y and z using Cramer's rule in case of determinants, right? Now here we have the questions 2x plus y plus 3z equals to 1, x plus 4y plus 6z equals to 9, 4x plus 3y plus 9z equals to 5. So in the part of solutions, what I have done here, that I have written the value of a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 and d1, d2, d3. So the first one becomes a1 value, this b1 value, this is c1 value and this is d1 value. Similarly, this will become the value of a2, b2, c2 and d2, right? Then this one will be value of a3, this will be value of b3, b3, this will be value of c3 and this will be value of d3. Now before we start finding, what we have to, means what we need to be in the mind, we need to be in the mind that we have to find the value of determinants, this value of d at the first, right? So we'll find the value of d at the first. So when we'll find the value of d at the first, right, d equals to, so d equals to what we have got, how we find d value, right? So the formula is how we have got a1, a2, a3, right? So here got a1 2, right? a1 is 2, a2 is 1, a3 is 4, right? Then we have got b1, b2, b1, b2, b2, right? So we have got here 1, 4, right? Then we have got 3, right? Then we have got c1, c2, c3. Then we have got here 3, right? We have got here 6 and we have got here 9. Now we need to find the value of determinants of these elements, right? So how we find? When we find the value of determinants, okay, here we have got 1, 2, 3 rows, right? And 1, 2, 3 columns. So this is the order of 3 into 3. So here you have got 3 rows and 3 columns. So how we'll find? So we'll find the value with the help of first row, right? So this 2 will take here, right? This 2 will take here. Then what we'll do here, this part will hide, right? So here we got 4 9s are 36 and 3 6s are 18, right? 4 9s are 36 minus, then 3 6s are 18. We'll do this one, right? Then plus, here we'll take minus, right? Here this one will take it here. Then now this part and this part will be hidden. Means 1 into 9 will be 9 here, right? Minus, then we have got here, we have hidden this one, 4 6 are 24. We'll have here 24. I hope it's visible. Then we have got a plus minus, here we'll have plus, right? Then what we have here, 3, this 3 will write here, right? Then open the bracket, right? Now this part will be hidden here, this part will be here. So 1 3 is a 3 minus, then we'll have here 4 4 is a 16, 4 4 is a 16, right? Now let's see here, what will have 2 into 36 minus 18, we'll get here 18, right? Minus 1 into 24 minus 9, how much we'll have here? We'll have here 15, right? Minus 15, minus 15 plus this 3 into, here we got 3 minus 16, so how much we'll get here? We'll get here minus 13, right? We'll get here minus 13, minus 13, right? Now here we have here 2 into 18 will be 36. Now here we get minus, here also minus, minus into minus will become here plus. So 1 15 is a 15, right? Here we got plus, here we minus, plus into minus will be minus. 13 3 is a 39, right? Now 36 plus 15, how much we'll have? We'll have here 51 minus 39 equals to, how much we'll get here? We'll get here 12, right? So the value of D we got how much? 12. Now we'll find the value of D1. So let's find the value of D1. Therefore D1 equals to, so the value of D1, how we find? We find D1, D2, D3, right? So here I've got 1, 9, then you've got 5 here, right? Then what I got? B1, B2, B3, right? So here we've got B1, 1, 4, right? Then 3, let's write here 3. Then what you've got? C1, C2, C3, right? So here we've got 3, then you've got 6, then you've got here 9, right? So we'll find the value of determinants of these elements, right? So what we'll do here, again here also what you have got, we have 3 rows and 3 columns, so it is the order of 3 into 3. So let's find the value of these determinants. Okay, so this one will take it here as it is, right? This one comes, then what we have got, this part will hide it here. 4 9s are 36, we'll write here 36 minus, then what we have got here, 3 6 are 18, we'll write this 18 as it is here. We'll put here plus, then here will be minus, right? Here will be minus. Then what we have got here, we have got 1, we'll write this 1 here, right? Now this part will hide here, right? So when we'll hide this one, 5 3s are 15 and 9 9s are 81. So how much we'll get here? 15 minus 81. Once again, we'll hide this one. So how much we have? 5. Sorry. This will be, if you'll hide this one, so 9 9s are 81 here. 9 9s are 81 minus, then what we'll do here? We are hiding this one like this. So it will be 1 we have taken, this part we are hiding here. So 5 6 are 30 we'll get here. 5 6 are 30. Right? Then we'll take here plus sign here. Then what we'll do here? This part we'll hide here, right? When we'll hide this part, what we got? 9 3s are 27. First we'll write this 3 here. Then 9 3s are 27 minus. Then what we have got here? 5 4s are 20. So we have here 20, right? In the first case, what we have taken? We have taken this one. So we have written this one. 4 9s are 36 minus 3 6 are 18. Now let's solve this one, right? This one as it is, 1 into, then 36 minus 18 will be 18, right? Then minus 1 here into, now here 81 minus 31. So how much we'll have? We have here 51 plus 3 into, then 27 minus 20 will be how much? 7, right? Now here 1 into 18 will be, it will be 18, right? Minus 1 into 51 will be 51, right? Plus 3 7s are 21, right? Now we have got 18 plus 21. So how much we'll have? We'll have here 39 minus 51 equals to 39 minus 51. So how much we'll get here? We'll get here minus 12, right? We'll get here minus 12. So we got the value of D1. Now we'll find the value of D2. So therefore D2 equals to, so what we have? We have D2 formula A1, A2, A3, right? So here we got A1, 2, 1, and we have here 4, right? Then we have got here D1, D2, D3, right? So here we have got D1, D2. So it's 1, 9, and it's 5, right? Then what we have got C1, C2, C3, right? So here we got C1, C2. Here we have 3, then 6. Then we have got here 9, right? Now we'll find the value of determinants of these elements, right? So what we do, we'll like expand it using the raw one, right? So this 2 as it is, right? Now we'll hide this one. So it will be 9 9s are 81, 81 minus, we are hiding this 5 6 are 30, right? This 30 will write here. Now here we wrote here plus, then here will be minus, this 1 will be here 1, right? Now this part will hide here. Then what we have here, 1 9s are 9 minus, we have written this part, right? So 4 6 are 24, we'll write here 24, right? Then we'll have plus here plus, here minus, then here plus. Then you have got a 3 here, we'll write this 3, right? Now this part will be hidden. So 1 5s are 5 here minus, then what we have got here, 4 9s are 36. So we'll write here 36, right? Now see here 2 into, now 81 minus 30, we'll have here 51, right? Minus 1, this 1 into 9 minus 24. So from 24 if you subtract 9, how much will get here? Minus 15, right? How much will get here? Minus 15. Now plus 3 into 5 minus 36. So 36 minus 5 will be 31 minus 31, right? Minus 31. Now let's do it here. 2 into 51. So we'll have a 102 minus into minus, we'll get here plus. So 1 15s are 15 here, right? So this plus into minus will be minus 3 into 31. So we'll have a 93, right? Now 102 plus 15. So we'll get here 117 minus 93, right? Now if we subtract this, how much we'll get? 7 minus 3 will have here 4. 11 minus 9 will have here 2, right? So we got here how much? 24, D2 value. Now we'll find the value of D3 value, right? So when we find the value of D3, A1, A2, A3. So how much we have got here? A1, 2, 1 and 4, right? Then what we have got here? B1, B2, B3, right? So B1 value is how much? 1, 4, 3, right? Then what you have got? D1, D2, D3. So here you've got 1, 9, and then we have got here 5, right? Now let's find the value of this determinants, right? So this 2 will take as it is, open the bracket, we'll hide this one, 4 5, so 20 here, 20 minus, we have written this part, right? So 3 9s are 27, we'll write here 27. Now minus 1, now we'll hide this part, so 1 5s are 5, right? 1 5s are 5. Now 4 9s are 36, minus 36. Then we'll have a plus, this 1 here, right? Open the bracket. Then this part will be hidden here. We'll hide this part, right? 1 3s are 3 and 4 4s are 16. So we'll get here 3 minus 16, right? Now what we have here? 2 into 20 minus 27. So we'll get here minus 7, right? Minus 1 into 5 minus 36. So we'll get here minus 31. Plus, then what we have got here? 1 into 3 minus 16. So we'll get here minus 13. Okay. Now 2 7s are 14. Minus 14. Minus into minus will be plus. 1 into 31 will be 31. Right. Plus into minus will be minus. 1 into 13 will be 13. Right. Now we got here minus 14 and minus 13. So minus minus sign will be minus and number will be added. So 13 plus or 14 plus 13 will be how much? 27, right? Plus 31 equals to how much we'll get here? Minus plus will be minus. So 31 minus 27 will be 4, right? So we got the value that is 4. Okay. So D3 value is how much? 4. Now we need to find the value of X, Y and Z, right? So therefore, okay, we'll find the value of X. Therefore, X equals to, so the value of X, how we find? D1 by D, D1 by D, right? So D1 value, how much we have got? D1 value we have got 12, okay? Minus 12 by D value, how much we have got? We have got here 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12. So we'll get here 1, right? We got this one. Then we'll find therefore y equals to, so y d2 by d. Y value, y formula is what? d2 by d. So d2, how much we have got here? D2 we got here. When we solve this one, how much we got? We got here 24. So I write it 24, right? By d value is how much? 12. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. So we got how much? 2. Now the last one we have got z value. So therefore z equals to d3. Actually here we have got d x value d1 by d minus 12 by 12, 12 on the 12, so we will have here minus actually, okay, here. Then we have got here z value d3 by d, right? So d3 value, how much we have got here? D3 value, how much we have got here? We have got here 4, isn't it? So we write here this 4 by d value is how much? 12, so write here 12. 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 12. So we got here 1 by 3. So these are the values of x, y and z using the rules, Cramer's rule in case of determinant. So I hope you are able to understand the solutions of these questions. If there will be any doubt in understanding the solution of this question, you can comment me in the comment box of my YouTube channel. Thank you all.